Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall affiliate WP links from WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall affiliate WP links from WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section in the left-hand menu. Locate the Installed Plugins option and click on it. Find affiliate WP in the list of installed plugins. Once located, click the Deactivate link under Affiliate WP. This will deactivate the plugin, but you may still have residual links. Next, navigate to the Pages section in the left-hand menu. Search for any pages that may contain affiliate WP links. Open each page one by one for editing. Look for any shortcodes or links related to affiliate WP. Remove any identified links or shortcodes from the content. Once you've made the necessary changes, click the Update button to save your edits. Return to the Plugins section and click on Installed Plugins again. Now, find Affiliate WP once more. This time, click the Delete link beneath the plugin. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes or Confirm to proceed with the deletion. After deleting, it's also a good idea to check for any leftover data. Navigate to the Settings section to ensure any settings related to affiliate WP are clear. If necessary, check the Users section for any associated user accounts or roles that might need adjustments. Finally, review your website for any broken links that may have resulted from uninstalling affiliate WP. Make any further adjustments as needed to optimize your site's performance. This process completes the uninstallation of affiliate WP links from your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.